Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on the keyboard shortcut menu on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So inside the Samsung keyboard settings, you can basically turn on a shortcut bar that gives you quick access to home, recent, volume up, volume down, show notifications, screenshot, screen off, and menu keys. So this basically saves time and makes your multitasking smoother. So instead of digging through menus, you can basically just go ahead and swipe right and you can get all these buttons here. So let me show you how you can get this keyboard shortcut on your screen for your Samsung S25 Ultra. So for this, we'll go ahead and open up the GoodLock app. In the GoodLock app, you want to go ahead and open up the one-handed Operation Plus. One-hand Operation Plus. Here we'll turn on this feature on and we'll go ahead and use this left handle. We'll go ahead and assign it to straight right. And you want to go ahead and scroll down and find keyboard shortcuts. So this is the feature which brings up shortcuts for certain apps. So this works on your home screen. It even works for like internet, Chrome, YouTube, even TikTok. If you want to make this work in different apps, you can go ahead and tap on add and add different apps. Now, once that's done, select that, press OK, and then that shortcut has been, and then that feature has been set. Now press home. Now when you go ahead and swipe from the left, you'll get this keyboard shortcut. So here you can go ahead and use all these different keys. Volume up, volume down, show notification, screen off, menu key, show notification. You can take a screenshot. If you open up YouTube, you can go ahead and control YouTube videos. So you can play, pause, volume up, volume down, move back, move forward, toggle the mute. So basically this saves time. It makes multitasking smoother. So instead of digging through menus, everything you need for messaging, productivity, video, and fun is just a tap away. So there you go, guys. That is how to turn on the keyboard shortcut menu on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.